Hey there and welcome. I'm Leon. As you may know, AI has been rapidly advancing in the past few years. Breakthroughs like ChatGPT demonstrating how powerful AI can be. Today in this video, we're going to explore how this AI technology can impact 3D film industry, and more importantly, you as a VR user, how can you leverage this AI technology with the tool that we built to upgrade your entire movie watching experience in VR to a breathtaking 3D adventure. So without further ado, let's begin. To truly appreciate the impact of AI on 3D filmmaking, let's first explore why there aren't as many 3D movies compared to the overall number of movies produced. A quick Google search shows that around 449 movies were released in 2022, but only 50 of them were 3D movies during the same period. And without surprise, the main reason is the high cost associated with creating 3D movies. There are two primary methods to produce a 3D movie. First, a movie can be filmed in real 3D using specialized 3D cameras, like what was done for Avatar 1 and 2. This approach requires non-standard production and post-production processes that can significantly increase costs. For example, Deadline reports that the production budget for Avatar 2 alone is a staggering $460 million, not including marketing expenses. While this figure isn't officially confirmed, it illustrates just how expensive real 3D filming can be. The second method involves converting 2D movies into 3D during post-production. This process typically involves human artists creating 3D depth maps for keyframes and utilizing professional 3D software to expedite the conversion. Even so, the process could still take weeks or months to finish. As it's labor-intensive, these conversions are often outsourced to countries like India or China, where labor costs are lower. Nonetheless, conversion costs can range from a few $100,000 for smaller productions to millions for large ones. Given these substantial expenses, it's understandable that 3D movie production is reserved for films that with high potential for success, as an investment might otherwise be wasted. Many 2D to 3D video converters have attempted to make 3D movies more accessible, but traditional methods had a hard time accurately determining a scene's 3D structure. These old-school approaches relied on pixel colors to estimate depth, which often led to disappointing results. Now, there's a new generation of 3D video tools that harness the power of AI to achieve human-level accuracy in extracting 3D information from 2D scenes. This exciting breakthrough makes it possible to create enjoyable 3D movies from 2D sources. Owl 3D is the forefront of this innovation, using an AI model with billions of parameters to decipher subtle cues hidden within pixels and accurately estimate the 3D structure. The 3D information is often represented as a grayscale image called depth map, where lighter shades indicate pixels closer to the viewer and darker shades represent those further away. Armed with this 3D data, we can create videos with separate left and right eye perspectives, offering a 3D viewing experience similar to watching a 3D film at a movie theater. The game changer here is that while it used to cost millions and take at least a few weeks to create a 3D movie from 2D, now with AI, the process can be completed in just hours for a typical film, and all you need is a gaming PC. If you'd like to give the Owl 3D app a try and transform your movies or videos into 3D for VR, just check out the link in the description below. Stay tuned for another video where I will compare popular open source projects you can use to create 3D content. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the content. If you'd like to see more content around AR, VR, AI, and 3D in general, please subscribe to this channel. And also feel free to join us on Discord. The link is below. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next video.